Hi, I'm Leslie Howard, and I'm a senior attorney with D'Alessio Law, and I'm here today to talk about the E-3 visa. The E-3 is a specialty occupation visa that is available to individuals with Australian citizenship. You do not need to be born in Australia, but you do need to have an Australian passport and Australian citizenship in order to qualify for the E-3. It is available to people with a specialty occupation and a job offer in the US. In other words, it's a job that requires a specific degree, and we can evaluate whether or not your job offer qualifies as a specialty occupation. Normally, it requires at least the equivalent of a US bachelor's degree. So the E-3 is a great tool for employers and employees looking to hire foreign talent from Australia. So some of the issues that can arise with an E-3 visa are the nature of the job. It does have to be a specialty occupation. So it has to be a job that requires a specific degree. So for example, an engineering job that requires an engineering degree would be considered a specialty occupation. A general business job that doesn't require a specific degree could present more of a challenge. Also, we have individuals who attend degree certificate programs that might be 3 years instead of 4 years, which is traditional in the United States. And so what we do in those cases is we engage third parties to conduct educational equivalency evaluations so that we can determine whether or not the individual does have the equivalent of a US bachelor's degree. I would say the most common mistake with the E-3 visa would be you do have to be a citizen of Australia, so you can't apply if you're not. But again, it does not apply to jobs that aren't highly specialized or don't require a bachelor's degree. So any unskilled labor wouldn't qualify for an E-3. One thing to keep in mind with the E-3 visa is it's essentially an H-1B for Australians. There is a cap to the number of E-3 visas that are available every year, but the United States has never reached the annual cap for an E-3. So there are plenty of E-3 visas available for those who are seeking them. Here at D'Alessio, we can evaluate your case to determine whether or not you qualify for an E-3. We can speak with the employer or the employee or both parties together. And once we determine that you're eligible, we can put together a packet for you to present at the US consulate in Australia, or do a change of status here in the United States if you are in the US on some other type of status. To make an appointment for a free consultation, please follow the link in our bio or click on the description on our YouTube page or go to d'alessio.law to schedule an appointment.